Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be playing with some gel polishes that are HEMA 21 free. They're a very gentle formula from Sundara Nails, and we're going to do a little bit of nail art. Now this is going to be the color that we're using right now. It is called Bubble Bath. This is going to be our beautiful milky pink base to all the nails. This color, it is everything. It is like that perfect, Bubble Bath is like the perfect name for it, but it is the perfect milky pink. So I did one coat and cured for 30 seconds, and we're going to do a second coat today. And that second coat totally brings this nail to life. And it's just a really soft pink color. It's great for a background for nail art. So we're going to use a couple different things right now to create the ornament that we're going to be doing today. So the first gel polish color that we're using today, it is called Hippie Chick. It is a disco reflective glitter. It is really pretty, and I felt like it really complemented this beautiful milky pink. So I'm using a dotting tool, and the dotting tool is also from Sundara Nails, and I'm just slowly creating a circle here and making it wider as we go to create that ornament. And I'm just really taking my time. Now, if you don't want to use a dotting tool, you totally don't have to. You can use a nail art brush, but I find that it is easier for me personally to use a dotting tool. So now I'm going to flip it over here so I can really see where I'm going here, and I'm going to widen out this circle even a little bit more and then focus on making that base a little bit wider. But I cured it for 30 seconds. Now we're going to go in with another color here. And this is actually a no wipe top coat, but I'm using it for a different purpose here. This is a silver foil, and it has like little pieces of foil in here and pieces of glitter that I wanted to just enhance that ornament and kind of give it some more dimension. So I thought that adding this silver foil non-wipe top coat would be the perfect accent. So originally I was only going to add that glitter to like the base of the ball of the ornament, but then I was like, no, it's way too pretty. We're going to go ahead and just completely add more of these beautiful silver foils. And there's a couple bigger pieces in here, so I felt like using the nail art brush for this part was letting me pick up some of those bigger foil pieces. So that's what worked best. We're going to cure for a full 60 seconds here. And now we're moving on to Fluffy Clouds, which is the perfect stark white gel polish. It is everything. It is my favorite, and it's great for nail art. So I use the nail art brush first to go ahead and make that line, and I flash cured it for 5 seconds. And now I'm going in with the dotting tool to kind of create the ribbon effect of the ornament. And then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of smooth it out a little bit and just make it more of like almost kind of like a heart kind of shape, a little bit like a half a heart, and just round out those sides. And then I cured it for 30 seconds. And then I just tie in a little bit more white to this nail. I'm doing some little dots that kind of give it like a snow falling effect, and I'm using the smaller side of the dotting tool in the dotting tool set from Sundara Nails. And also those nail art brushes that I am using are also from Sundara Nails. These dotting tools are amazing. They're very sturdy. You can get a really good grip on those dotting tools. I love them so much. Now we're going to go ahead and seal this in with a layer of matte top coat. This is a gentle matte top coat. It's amazing. Cured for 60 seconds. Now that that nail is completely matte, I'm going to go in with a layer of the gentle top coat. And this is the regular top coat, so I'm really only going to focus on that ornament only, because I only want that ornament to be shiny and kind of have like that glossy finish. So I cured it, and this is what that nail looks like with the matte finish, but we have that ornament still glossy. So I went ahead and I did another ornament on another nail, but I wanted to show you this snow falling no wipe top coat, and it is really fun. It has like little pieces, it looks like snow that is really falling from the sky. So what I'm going to do is I really wanted to focus on that snow itself. So I applied it to this makeup sponge here, and you saw that I tapped off that makeup sponge there on that little gel palette before I went in directly to the nail. And now I'm just dabbing on the makeup sponge here to the nail, and I'm going to do this on the pinky nail and the thumbnail to just really pick up those snow falling pieces. This is if you really want like more of a snow falling effect and you want to pick up more snow pieces, this is a great option to use the makeup sponge. But if you're looking for more of like a sparse snow effect, then just go ahead and apply it regularly, and you can always build it up with doing another coat of that gel top coat. I really wanted like a full snow flurry on this nail, so that's why I did the makeup sponge. So I cured for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I did the rest off the camera because I really wanted to highlight on that ornament. You can see here I did another set of ornaments the exact same way on that middle nail there, but overall, such a fun, simple mani, such an easy way to kind of tie in the holiday spirit. You can use any color base. You don't necessarily have to use this pink. You can do it over dip powder. You can do it over nail polish, whatever your heart desires. But overall, really fun and super simple to do. So I hope you enjoyed this really simple holiday nail art. Everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.